x to the power 4 into x plus 1 square into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 cube x plus 4, and it should be greater than 0, right? So now I need to solve this question. So this again is a rational inequality. So when I see even power, I know sign of expression doesn't change, so I'll remove this expression from the inequality. So I'll remove x to the power 4 and I'll remove x plus 1 whole square. Now for odd power, I can simply remove the power. I can simply write it as x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4, and it should be greater than 0. So the roots are minus 4, 2, and 3. So now this coefficient is positive. So positive, positive. So rightmost will be plus, minus, plus, and minus. So what do I need? I need plus. So I need this interval. So from minus 4 to 2, and then from 3 to infinite. Now with rule number 1 comes rule number 2. Because this question, it doesn't have an equality sign. So with rule number 1 comes rule number 2. Now rule number 2 says roots of the expressions which we have removed in rule number 1. So what we have removed in rule number 1? We have removed x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. So we need to remove these roots from the final solution if they are included in the solution. So minus 1, it's included, so I need to remove minus 1, and I'll also need to remove 0. So I need to remove both of these roots. So answer to this question finally will be x belongs to, so from minus 4 to minus 1, union minus 1 to 0, union 0 to 2, union 3 to infinite. So that is the answer to this question.